Hello and welcome to this video showing you how to set up Kobbr in the perfect way. And congrats on subscribing to Kobbr, the ultimate quoting platform. I hope you will succeed with your business using Kobbr going forward. And let's dive into some great settings and tips and tricks on how to get everything set up for your first customers. All right, now for the first steps, I want to go into the settings and I want to look at the company information. Make sure that the company name is perfectly written and looks good. The company name on the SMSs going out to your customer, make sure that is good. Please note that there's a 11 character limit and you can only use A to Z numbers and spaces in that name due to some international regulations around the name. Make sure that your language is set to English. You can set your favorite supplier if you use supplier products in Kobbr. Put down your markup and also set your customer price for the labor hours and your internal cost as well. Second step is to dive into the default quote settings. So for the quote settings, you can set these settings that each new quote, when you create them, they will have these settings. Of course, you can always change them in each quote as well, but it's a nice starting point so you don't have to click on everything if you're always sending, for example, a price estimate. You can set the total amount, you can set the quote validity and delivery method and everything, but what I think maybe is the most important thing here is to set the terms and conditions. So we can add here and we can choose different kinds. What we normally recommend, if you have a web page or if you have a PDF or something showing all of your terms and conditions, add that as a link in one of the conditions here, and you can add that so it always is attached to the quote. You can change your description that always comes with the quote to a different standard one, and you can always change your text, the message in the text for the emails and SMS for when the quote is sent. All right, step 3, it's to dive into the chat and messages. When you send a quote in Kobbr, it's always sent with the first chat message from you. Here you can change it to whatever style you like, long or shorter, just type in. And you can also set the normal response time. Your customers will see sort of a normal response time, and also you can add someone that will get a notification if one of your colleagues is sick. You can, for instance, be notified after 3 days if the customer haven't got an answer yet. Now we're on number 4. We're going to dive into the supplier prices and price files. So we have two ways of getting prices for your account in Kobbr. You can either synchronize your prices using FTP servers that mainly the larger wholesalers and suppliers use. So you can add them, create them, add units and passwords, so we can fetch the prices regularly going forward. You can always also send us price files. So we will take in every format you got from your suppliers or wholesalers, and we can turn that into prices in here in Kobbr for you. So just send them over to your local Kobbr contact and we will definitely help you. Going forward, we have the users and roles. So here you can add your colleagues, users in Kobbr. You simply click add new user, click on whichever role you would like for them to have, and then just add them. You can always also customize the roles to whatever sort of permissions that you want them to have. Now, the next step, make sure that the quote page for your end customers look really, really good. Here we can help you change the images, the colors, the about texts, and also just make sure that everything is set up so your customers will feel at home and recognize your company. Just reach out to us. We can help you set it up in the perfect and right way. And then one last thing in the library, make sure that you build up your products and templates and conditions, everything in the right way so that it's ready for the next quote. It's also really helpful if you're the guy in the company who has been given the role of setting everything up, because then the next users will always have stuff ready and can just get going instantly. Great! I hope you will feel at home in Kobbr and it will change your working day and make sure that the quotes fly out. And good luck. Please reach out to us if there's anything we can help you with.